Well, we got inside here and got the upper part of the middle assembly taken care of, and now it's time for the lower part. This part right here. This is where the gearbox goes and the turbine. We're going to start with the gearbox first. Gearbox is this guy right here. Now, when it comes new out of the packaging, you're going to see a rubber band strapped around here, keeping a few pieces in. If you're anything like me, clumsy, it's going to fall all over the place. So let me show you right from scratch how it's going to go. You've got this piece here, a little tiny nylon bushing. All right, little hole in it, and all you're going to do is just place it. Beep, right on there. There you go. And that's pretty much it. Then there's this piece. This is the guy. This is kind of the brain. Can you believe it? The brain of the cleaner. This keyed part is exactly how it should look. Not broken. People try to return it all the time, I swear. You just place it right there again, square part on square part, and boom, done. You've just assembled a gearbox. Congratulations. Little test. Like music. All right, that's exactly how it should sound. I put my finger right there. I could feel it moving underneath it. And the installation back into the medium assembly, pretty easy. Now, you'll notice this little thing right over here. If you try to put it in wrong, it's not going to fit. It just won't. It's prevented from it. So all you do is sort of spin it around, drop it in, boom. That's all, like butter. You've just put the gearbox back in to your Aquabug.